Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose. You're watching again another episode of Apps in Charlie. In today's episode video, I'm just gonna do some tutorial, especially for those Filipinos who are just starting in crypto. There's lots of things that you need to know, tools that you need to use, in order to do your research, in order to get that lead, yung mga upcoming coins na gusto mong pasukin, upcoming coins that you want to participate and trade, no? Of course, many of you are just using a cell phone. So you start with a cell phone if you don't have a laptop or a desktop computer, but it's highly recommended that you have a laptop at least or a desktop, and the bigger the screen the better, but everybody starts from somewhere, so everybody most likely will start or magsisimula sa cellphone or smartphone. So without further ado, let's check on three research tools that most commonly used. Well, at least two of them, and the one I've been introducing to my audience and viewers as an alternative to the two popular website or research tool for cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna check on this one. So and let's start with the most well-known, which is this is Coinmarketcap. So Coinmarketcap is one of those OG research na website, at saka and also an app in Google Play Store. Yeah, so it's available on the Android, and most likely it's also available on iOS or on your iPhone. So, but I'm a Android guy, so bear with me. It's all about this one. I don't know if there's any variation kapag if you're using a iPhone, no, sa pagdating sa layout, when it comes to the layout. So I'm gonna be doing Taglish, but majority I'll be speaking in English because I also have Indian viewers. Okay, so this one's dedicated for those who are not maximizing their research tools. So this again, we are in CoinMarketCap app in Android. So this is what you will see initially. Initially, you will see this BTC ETH. This is the top 100, and you could select top 100 to all coins if you want, and then you could also select the price change depending on the time frame you want: 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. So if you want to see every hour there's a price change, then if you're monitoring it because you're doing some trade, then so be it. But most of the time the default is top 100 and then 24 hours. So we are here in the market side still, and on top you will see what this one is: the diamond. You could participate once you subscribe to CoinMarketCap. You could earn diamonds, and there's a rewards section. As long as you accumulate as long as you accumulate diamonds, you could participate in the giveaways here if you're fast enough. Before, I've got this one, and this one, and this one, and also a giraffe. This one. Okay, but it's in another wallet because it's Ethereum based, I think. So let's go back to the main interface. There, okay, and there's a search bar on the top. Okay, So you could cancel that. There's a search bar here. Okay. And what else? So there. Uh, and then you could research here, and let's say you click on Bitcoin, it will go to a Bitcoin chart. You could check on the 24-hour chart, 7-day chart, 30-day chart, 90 days chart, 1 year, all. And then you could swap it with line and candlestick here. Okay. And usually I only use line. And then if you want to follow Bitcoin, and then you could also click on market cap and then price, of course. And what else? And if you are a subscriber, then you could participate on comments like that one. 5 stars when moon. Okay, and then you will also see the other comments below. And there's also statistics. If you want to see all statistics, there you go. You click all statistics and you'll have information here that could be very valuable for you if you are really into research. Okay, if you want to do that, you could also compare with what, for example, BTC and INJ. Okay, or you could select a coin, let's say Ethereum, BTC versus Ethereum. You click on that and then it will reflect here. Okay, it's not here. 7 days, or let's say 1 inch network. Okay, it's not working. But anyway, you could compare it here. Unfortunately, you cannot see the graph. Uh, but here on the bottom, you could check the differences and some information. Also, like active SINs, max supply, 24 volume, market cap. You could check the difference. Okay. Then if you, there's a converter also. You have a calculator. So if you have 0.001, so you need only $29. If you want to buy 0.005 Bitcoin, you need 145. If you want to buy 0.01, that's almost $300. So that's your currency converter. That's the one. And if you want to buy crypto, it's still processing. I don't know if you could actually buy, but if that's the case, usually it's a credit card, so it's taking some time. Then and then you could also, what, on top here, on top you have also the watch list. You could select your coins. How do you select coins to put it in the watch list? There's a star above, and you could click on that, or press on that with your fingers, thumb, to include that or not. And then you could also share this. There's a share, and then you could participate if you are an active crypto guy in X, formerly Twitter, or you could pass it into your friends, Viber or Messenger, or even in Gmail, or if you're also a member in Discord, blah blah blah. And there's so many ways, even Telegram. Okay, you could share your screen capture. And yeah, same here. If you're in Solana, you could compare. etc. And there's some information. You want to just see all. There you go. Tons of information about Solana. You could read about it there. And okay, on top, you could also, aside from watchlist, there's exchanges. The top 100 exchanges or whatever. You could also select DEX if you want only to use DEXs, and if you want to check who's providing spot trading, there you go with the score and derivatives. Oh, by the way, FYI, Binance owns CMC, or at least majority of it. So most of they have biases here, so be careful. Okay. And then you got chains, list of chains, and if you check Ethereum, you'll have the other coins listed under Ethereum, part of the chain. And let's say if you are into optimism, these are the chains that are program their coins to be part of the optimism network. Okay, so you could do your research there. And then there's also categories if you want. So that's, and what else? We go back to the main one, and on top you could see the market cap here, 1.17 trillion, 24-hour volume, GUI, 13 GUI for ETH, and then 1.17 trillion for market cap, 21.61 billion has been volume for all exchanges. And what else? And here, if you are a subscriber, there are other information here as well. So like, for example, price alerts, if you want to be alerted if Bitcoin is going up, going down, just select a coin, you know, and you could also remove it if you want. So if you want alert, it's effective. Okay. And then on the bottom you have explore here, and then portfolio. In explore, there's news articles, videos, popular coins. So there you could check on the popular coins based on the 24-hour volume. So XDC or top coins for the last 20 XDC dash. So Kaspa is not there. I could see now the bias. Kaspa is not there. Okay, and then you could also check on portfolio. Here, if you are tracking your investment, you could input here, but you have to learn how to. Me, I'm not in the mood to use it. And then you got also community, and then you get following, topics, and then articles. So there's a lot of stuff that you could explore in Coinmarketcap. So what else? There. So my next video is about what? CoinGecko. Okay. So watch out for that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Salamat, and see you on my next video. Goodbye.